Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to do a factory reset. Before you do this, however, please note that you will lose any and all information on the phone memory, so back up any information you may need. The reason you may want to do this is if you have accidentally pressed a key and changed any settings or need to revert to the original settings. So the first thing you will need to do is unlock the phone by pressing the top left key and the star key. Next, we're going to go to the menu by pressing the top left key, scroll to Settings, select the top left key, scroll down using the arrow keys to restore factory settings. Now your settings may look a little different. Mine has a SIM card, so it has the network settings. If you don't have your SIM card in the phone, you won't have your network settings. So now we're going to restore factory settings by pressing the top left key, and it's saying input your phone password, type in 0000, so that's 4 zeros. Unless you've changed your password, put this in. If you haven't, the default is 4 zeros. Press OK, restore settings and restart the phone, select yes, and the restore is now processing. It may take a couple of minutes for it to process all the new information, and now the phone has just been reset. Thank you for watching this video.